Today we are testing the Formula RX Barrier Repair Relief Moisturizer. This went viral on the internet and I had to get my hands on this. It's hydrating and nourishing, feels super lightweight. Absolutely love this. It has ceramide complex, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide that will hydrate and calm the skin while helping to restore the skin's natural barrier. Hence why it's called the Barrier Relief, because it's formulated to keep that hydration locked. It's created for all skin types. Has a unique elegant texture that's not sticky or slippery. I'm someone who has dry sensitive skin type, so I was a little bit nervous while testing this out, but I can definitely report that it feels so good on the skin. My skin looks so hydrated. I'll be wearing this all day. So far, it's fantastic. I'm absolutely loving it.